In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit tags for your contacts in GoHighLevel. So whether you're just getting started with GoHighLevel or you've been using it for a while, understanding how to efficiently manage your contacts with tags is crucial for organizing your marketing efforts. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your GoHighLevel dashboard. If you're logged in, you should see your dashboard right away. This is your control center where you can access all the features available in GoHighLevel. From here, what we're interested in are the contacts. So, find and click on the Contacts tab. This will bring up a list of all your contacts that are currently in the system. Once you've navigated to the contacts, browse through your list and click on the specific contact that you wish to edit. Clicking on a contact will take you to a detailed view of that individual's information. Now on the Contact Details panel, you'll see various sections filled with information about the contact, but what we are focusing on today is the Tags section. Tags in GoHighLevel are a fantastic way to categorize and organize your contacts based on attributes or any label that suits your business needs. They help in creating targeted lists for campaigns and also in identifying specific groups of people within your audience. Next, you'll locate the Tags section within the Contact Details. Right next to it, you should see an option to Add Tag. Go ahead and click on Add Tag. This will prompt you with a text box where you can input the name of the tag you wish to assign. Now you have a couple of options. You can either type in a completely new tag name that you want to create for just this contact or for further use, or you can choose from a list of existing tags that you may have used previously. If you opt to type a new tag, make sure it's something easy to remember and relevant to the contact's characteristics or the campaign's theme. It's always smart to keep tags short, descriptive, and relevant so they're easier to manage and search for later. Once you have typed the tag name or selected an existing tag from the dropdown, simply press Enter. This action will finalize the tag addition to the contact. It's a quick and effective way to enhance your contact segmentation strategy. Remember to save your changes to ensure the tag is properly added to the contact's profile. And that's it! You've successfully added a tag to a contact in GoHighLevel. By consistently organizing your contacts with tags, you'll be able to tailor your marketing efforts more precisely and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on mastering GoHighLevel.